Yeah, welcome back to a brand new video. Whitfield Valley Nature Centre, and this is where the council are going to start wanting you to pay to park on these car parks for these sort of areas going forward in the future. And yeah, I'll let you have your own opinion on that, but I think it's absolutely disgusting, to be honest. We've got the Whitfield Valley Local Nature Reserve, just gives you a bit of information. And yeah, you're going to end up having to start paying to go on these community walks. And it'll be interesting to see how many people come to these parks and things like that. And I'm also been told as well that it's going to be happening to these these like football pitches where you got little car parks and Sunday league football teams and things like that, and it's going to affect them as well. So not only do they have to pay for the football pitch, but they also have to pay now for parking as well. So yeah, it's just everything's just a way of trying to make money for the local council. And don't know if you're aware, but there are also talks that Newcastle Borough Council, Staffordshire, Moorlands Borough Council and Stoke Council are all potentially going to merge together in the future. And I know a lot of people are upset, especially people in the Staffordshire Moorlands, about that. They don't want it to happen. We've got swans and ducks and everything down here. And a lot of people use these areas to get away from the norm and just want a break from all the problems, and it's going to cost them now to park. But the other problems as well is that it does affect other people. So these other people that are going to park, they probably won't want to pay. Then they'll park somewhere else. It'll park in near somebody's house or something like that and affect them, And yeah, it's they just don't think about these other problems as well it causes with this paying to park everywhere. But yeah, I don't know what's happened to that. If he fell asleep or something, I don't know. But that goose over there looks like he's passed away, perhaps. But got these numbers down here, not sure what that's about. Maybe it's a sort of code that you can walk down, and I've no idea. I've never walked down here before. I do know on that car park at night that gets a lot of unsocial activity going on. There's also a sign that says please do not stay overnight on that car park. It is a free car park at the minute to park there and walk around this, but I don't know about in the future. I've no idea. But I've heard that a few of these parks you're gonna have to pay at, potentially. I don't know if it's definitely set in stone as of yet, but I believe it's potentially happening. We'll carry on down here, and I want to show you the Bradley and potentially Feggays area as well. But we're going to keep going down here, and I'm just going to show you this nature reserve here. and it's just starting to rain again now. You've got these football pitches here, and just in the distance over there, you've got the main road on Bradley, and a path down there. Not sure if that leads you back to the car park. Potentially looks like it, but you see how much rain we've had, and we're going to get some more over the next couple of days. And this grass is a bit long here, but yeah, we'll carry on. So yeah, you can see the dark gloomy sky. Yeah, and we'll carry on down here and just walk past them football pitches there, and we've got some more football pitches here, and these look like they're paid for by somebody. They're all kept quite neat, and yeah, I don't know what the club is, I've no idea, but got this fencing all the way around it, and got the goal nets as well, and the netting up, and over on the far side here, got some dugouts as well. So it's a proper thing. But see, it's a bit of a sludge bath there in that goal mouth. Crimes. A little bit of litter there, but yeah. But there's not a lot to see on this side, and yeah, it does make you wonder when they put these payments in where you've got to pay to park, these pay machines, how many people are going to come walk around this? Not many, I don't think. Affecting nature, the ducks and everything as well, because a lot of people bring their kids down and feed the ducks, and you know, and now they've got to pay to park, potentially. And you've all got your own opinions on this, but I completely disagree. I'm a kind of old school guy, to be fair, and I do try and park for nothing wherever I can, really. I don't agree with paying to park anywhere if you're paying road tax. I mean, some vehicles don't pay road tax, but it's getting to the point where that's the thing of the past again. These summer, 1 year there was free road tax on cars, but that's now all gone, and these electric vehicles are going to pay some whopping taxes as well, I'm led to believe. So again, that's affecting us in the future, going forward. And yeah, I don't like to moan about it all the time, but it does annoy you. And these videos that I show is what you pay for, is what your taxes are going on, really. And the camera never lies. So you know, those that moan about things that they see is the truth on my channel, on every other channel on YouTube that does all this sort of thing. The camera never lies. But it's very quiet, to be honest. I've walked past one person up to now, and I can see somebody in the distance over there, but he's heading forwards the same way that we're going. So yeah, but yeah, would you pay to park on this car park that I've parked on and walk round this? Would you pay for it? That's the question. It's probably the question of this video, to be fair. But you see something's been down there. But I'm going to carry on. In fact, he is actually walking towards me, this bloke. Yeah. You see some like cyclists or something been up there. But there's not a great lot to see, to be honest. Only that little lake with the ducks. There's no, you can see it come across any play area or anything.